Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to enable aim assist in Undawn. To enable aim assist in Undawn, first of all, launch open the Undawn game on your device. Once you're inside the game, go ahead and click on the menu icon at the top right corner, and from the expanded menu, click on Settings. Once you're inside Settings, look for the Firearms option on the right, tap on it, and inside Firearms, you'll see this Aim Assistance option. Tap on and switch on the Aim Assistance. Once you do that, scroll down to Automatic Fire as well and turn it on. So right after you do that, you'll be able to enable Aim Assist. Now go ahead and try out firing at a zombie and you'll be able to see that you've enabled the Aim Assist feature, and this will make your gameplay much easier. So there you have it. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.